talking, man. It pisses me off. But no, I don't like alcohol cigarettes. The less I smoke, the easier it is for me to stop. I'm a big.
I am not outside. I only have the door open. But as you see, my son is checking the weather for me. Well, of course, him too. He's my big boy. He's my hurricane man. He gonna jump out and stop Ida. He's a beast still. He's very strong. On a serious note, though, that wind, that rain is definitely picking up. You see that power line bouncing the way it is. It's definitely moving.
Look at this, lakefront.
We got an update on water and rain coming from New Orleans.
God bless you.
It is rising.
Are just photographer taking pictures and us there, but yeah.
It is knee-high water at the moment.
Yeah,
And the worst has yet to hit. Somebody says on standby from Jackson, Mississippi with the go bag. Ready to go. Well, they got some good people in this world, boy. For the dummies who sit down like me and ride this shit out. It's not gonna be an easy one. No, you good. Fuck. They gonna hear more than that. Once the shit start coming, like seriously, shit, my phone gonna be in the middle of that. Hey, ladies, I am recording. Look at that wind. Look at that wind. It is coming. That's coming from outside.
Okay.
That's that cold wind from outside. Move, Junior. Nobody wants to see the back of your head. I'll be checking in another 15 minutes unless it gets worse from now.